Welcome to our countdown of the top 5 best smartwatches on the market today. Whether you're looking for a device that tracks your fitness goals, keeps you connected on the go, or simply complements your style, we've got something for you. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Number 5. Redmi Watch 4. This is an excellent budget-friendly option that offers a range of features without breaking the bank. The Redmi Watch 4 comes with a sleek, modern design and a vibrant 1.83-inch display that provides clear visuals and easy navigation. This smartwatch is equipped with a variety of health and fitness tracking features, including heart rate monitoring, sleep analysis, and multiple sports modes, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to stay on top of their fitness goals. One of the standout features of the Redmi Watch 4 is its impressive battery life. With up to 10 days of usage on a single charge, you won't have to worry about constantly recharging your device. It also offers 5 ATM water resistance, so you can wear it while swimming or during intense workouts without fear of damaging it. If you're after a reliable smartwatch that covers all the basics at an affordable price, the Redmi Watch 4 is a great option to consider. Number 4. Kospet Tank S1. The Kospet Tank S1 is a rugged smartwatch built to endure tough conditions. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts and those who need a durable device, the Tank S1 features a reinforced metal frame that can withstand shocks, drops, and extreme temperatures. With its military-grade toughness, this smartwatch is perfect for adventurers, athletes, or anyone who needs a reliable companion in challenging environments. The Kospet Tank S1 doesn't just offer durability. It also boasts a range of smart features, including a heart rate monitor, SpO2 sensor, sleep tracking, and over 20 sports modes to keep track of your activities. The 1.32-inch full-touch display is crisp and responsive, making it easy to navigate through its various functions. With a battery life of up to 50 days in power-saving mode, this smartwatch is built for long trips and outdoor excursions. If you're looking for a smartwatch that can keep up with your adventurous lifestyle, the Kospet Tank S1 is an excellent choice. Number 3. Kospet Tank T2 Ultra. Next on our list is the Kospet Tank T2 Ultra, a smartwatch that combines rugged durability with enhanced functionality. The Tank T2 Ultra builds on the toughness of the Tank S1, but adds even more advanced features to the mix. With its 1.43-inch AMOLED display, you'll get stunning visuals and deep contrast, making your watch face look sharper and more vibrant. One of the major upgrades in the Tank T2 Ultra is its built-in GPS, which allows you to track your outdoor activities more accurately without needing to carry your smartphone. This smartwatch also comes equipped with dual system compatibility, meaning it can easily connect with both Android and iOS devices. On top of that, the Tank T2 Ultra offers comprehensive health tracking, including heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and even stress monitoring, giving you a complete picture of your well-being. Number 2. TicWatch E3. Our runner-up is the TicWatch E3, a smartwatch that excels in providing a seamless blend of performance and style. Powered by Google's Wear OS, the TicWatch E3 offers a more polished and feature-rich experience than many of its competitors. With access to Google Assistant, Google Pay, and a wide range of apps from the Play Store, this smartwatch does more than just track your fitness. It becomes an extension of your smartphone. One of the major benefits of the TicWatch E3 is its dual processor system, which optimizes performance while extending battery life. You can expect up to 3 days of use on a single charge, making it a solid choice for everyday wear. If you're looking for a smartwatch that combines functionality, style, and smart features, the TicWatch E3 is a top contender. Number 1. Amaztime Tank T2 Ultra. Finally, at the top of our list is the Amaztime Tank T2 Ultra, a smartwatch that redefines toughness and versatility. The Tank T2 Ultra is designed for those who demand the best in both durability and technology. With a 1.43-inch AMOLED display and military-grade construction, this smartwatch is built to withstand the harshest conditions while providing a premium user experience. The Amaztime Tank T2 Ultra stands out for its comprehensive health and fitness tracking capabilities, which include heart rate monitoring, sleep analysis, SpO2 measurement, and stress tracking. The built-in GPS makes it ideal for outdoor activities, allowing you to accurately track your runs, hikes, and other adventures without relying on your phone. Additionally, this smartwatch offers up to 50 meters of water resistance, so you can take it with you on your aquatic excursions. And there you have it, our top 5 best smartwatches that cater to a variety of needs, from budget-friendly options to rugged devices built for the outdoors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.